So we want to go through this particular problem and notice that there's two places to kind of get snagged here. One is they want the average product cost per unit. So that means we have to only pay attention to the product costs here. Selling and administrative costs are not product costs. Now, they could have asked for the average variable cost per unit, the average fixed cost per unit without product cost in front of that, and then we wouldn't call out only the product cost. But here they just want the product cost, so that means just direct material, direct labor, variable overhead, and fixed overhead. So we're not going to pay any attention to the other costs. Just remember, you don't have to use everything given. Some of it is given to see if you know to ignore it. All right, so the per unit they give you here is based on 10,000 units. Let's write that out here. When I see something like this, this is what happens in my head. The variable cost, I go, okay, yeah, there you go. That's what it is per unit. And so to figure out the total, I have to know how many units. Okay, fine. The fixed overhead per unit is really a weird thing because there is no fixed cost is a lump, right? Fixed cost is a total. So what I really want is this number here, this total. And so how do I get that? That is at the 10,000 level, it's $3, but at a different level, it won't be $3 a unit. So I know that it is $3 times 10,000 in total. Now somebody divided that by 10,000, and for that level and that level only, it's $3 a unit. But if you change levels, that 30,000 is going to be something different per unit. Still be 30,000 in total. So what do they want? They want the per unit cost at a different level. They want it if it's 8490. Well, for 8490, it's still $3, $3.50, $1.50. Variable costs are the same per unit, and the total wiggles around based on activity. Fixed cost is the same in total, and so the per unit wiggles around based on activity. So here they want this, what is the total cost per unit at this other level? The 7, the 350, and the 150 are the same in both. But the fixed cost per unit is not the same in both because fixed costs stay the same in total. They don't change with activity in total, but they will change per unit. Let me know if you have any questions.